So we're actually in rehabilitation dating back to 1976. This was really pioneering work in restoring the forest after mining. It was actually set up as a trial looking at how to best handle topsoil in rehabilitation. And in this case, the soil was stripped in two passes, the top 20 centimetres of topsoil and then roughly 30 centimetres of the material underneath, the subsoil, or what we call overburden. And then both those were returned immediately to this rehabilitation pit. So it's what we call double strip direct return topsoil, and we know that now to deliver the optimal outcomes in terms of species richness return. We've returned to this site to re-monitor the vegetation over the course of more than 40 years, and it's really informative because we now understand that by winding back the amount of nutrients that we apply, dialing back the density of vegetation that we establish early on, allows for greater diversity of species. It really benefits the slower growing species in the ground layer, species that are important for the resilience of the restored forest, and it allows that increasing similarity over time, over relatively short periods of time, of these rehabilitated areas to look very like the unmined forest within a few decades.